Oh, I just drank a bit of that water, kill me.
Join us as we uncover Krabi's hidden treasures, the enchanting Blue Lagoon at Klong route, pristine natural freshwater pools surrounded by untouched rainforest, and the breathtaking mountain range. Join us for an amazing kayaking experience. Just a quick note to say thank you for taking the time to watch our videos so far. Your support means a lot.
This is pretty cool, isn't it?
Okay.
Hold on.
Okay. Down, foot, up. Okay, miss. Đây. Anh lấy bằng, bye bye, các bạn. Mà anh nhé. Anh lấy bằng, nhé. Come đây.
Should have wore your bikini, Nick.
I know.
Is that properly done up, Nick, that bag?
Hello. I feel like all they're going to see is my terrible rowing.
Look, they're all chipped there. Lindsay coming down there.
What, the water? Yeah. Skulls?
Oh, is this the end?
No.
We're going somewhere like a little...
What do we do? Yeah.
You don't really need to row, babe.
No?
GoPro so it's on.
Yeah, it's on. It's at 15 minutes.
Yeah, it might reset.
Okay.
Shouldn't overheat now. So I'll wrap that much. Just stand up in it.
He said some's 5 metres, some's 10.
10?
Yeah.
It's not even half a metre, is it?
Nah. I mean, to be fair, I'd rather be falling in the deep stuff than put my feet down there. We're going in.
Put the thing down, babe. Now, nice fish. Hey, people.
Oh, this looks cute.
Давай еще раз, вот смотри, он и с нами.
Yeah.
Давай, вот это хороший спот, смотри.
Yeah. I'm just gonna give you a bit of help.
Сам набирал, а я кручу. Да планета уже.
Right, ready? Yeah. Yeah, it's so clear.
Have you got the GoPro up?
Yeah.
Right, facing sort of down.
Sorry, you pulled it. This beats them yesterday for me. I love stuff like this. Quick. Watch out, con. Yeah, but it's hard when it's straight.
That's a good idea. There we go.
No swimming here, don't fall off.
Huh?
No swimming here, don't fall off.
Push this away. At the end, at the end.
I reckon so.
Look, get the old GoPro down there.
Can you not?
Did we carry on? That's it.
Thinking that might be it.
Yeah, that's so bad with the camera in it. You've got a big blodge on it of water.
Yeah, it's just been underwater, babe.
You need to wipe it. There we go. That was sharp, it killed it. 3 catches.
I think we've been rowing for about what? Maybe 10 minutes? We've come to an end now. I think we're going to have to go back. God, it's struggling.
Oh, literally.
Oh, sorry.
No worries. Yep. I think I should follow now. As you keep going this way,
Must be. Do you need my help? There's a big group of boats down there, but they don't seem to be doing anything.
No.
So we're heading back.
We're on the right course now. Sorry.
We've got 2 hours on this boat, so...
2 hours, not a chance.
Yeah. You said 2 hours, otherwise you've got to wait here.
What? Wait where?
At the starting point. So we might as well just go back to the big lake and have a swim about.
Swim?
A boat about, or whatever you call it, a row.
Yeah, we'll go to the big bit and have a look. We've got all the other crew coming in now, we've gone the wrong way.
Yeah, what if there's another way back?
No, there's no other way.
No. Domestics in the boats.
Oh, this is great.
Sorry.
Yeah, pop?
Yeah.
Pop
They have.
Thank you.
Well, you can if you want.
Can you?
I don't know, I thought that's what this bit was here, maybe not.
Hello. Sunny morning.
Oh look, there's a little stop off up there, look, you can get a coconut juice. What else can we get? Fried meatballs
How are we getting out?
and a hot coffee.
Huh?
Swimming?
Swimming, yeah?
Do you want to get in?
I'll get taken out. Jump it. There's about 1,200.
Okay, looks like we're going for a swim.
You getting in? Yeah. Yeah? You been in already?
Yeah.
Straight in, jump.
Good.
Lovely.
What, that way?
No, I like ice bath.
Or here?
Oh, you can put the thing in and jump. the thing off it.
Take what off what, sorry? What have I got to take off?
I'm about to jump in, but you've got glare over it.
I don't know how I feel about getting in.
Hold this and I'll jump in. Nick, you're going to have to take the glare off it. Right. Do it.
There's no glare on it, it's fine.
Yeah? Come on. Be careful. That's how you do it. Hit the bottom quicker than I thought though.
Yeah. Is it fresh or salty?
That's fresh, it's lovely. Here you go, back to get whacked. You jumping in there?
No.
Why? Good. That's what I need. A bit of cold water in me. Ella, stay with me. Swimming? Go this side, it's stay with me.
You're gonna get whacked.
Oh no. It's alright, I can control it. I can push everyone on each side if they want to swim or if they want to. You ain't getting across here, Nick. You have to swim across.
Alright, well, I'll have to take my clothes off.
Mình mới lên bông đam mà liều để cho nguồn nhiên bông dọc như này phải không?
Ooh, yes.
Oh my god.
Okay, one by one.
Take my clothes off.
Maybe first.
Oh, yeah.
One by one.
Ê, tôi quýt cầm nó lần nhá. Chỗ cái đó khare khăn.
Slippery.
Okay, be careful jumping, it's quite shallow. Yeah?
Yeah.
Pass the GoPro, take that off.
Yeah, I'm just making sure this man doesn't fall on me.
One swimming.
Move out the way.
You swimming here. Bucking here. Bucking here. Wait a minute.
Wait a minute. You want help? You just can't try it.
क्या नहीं है पापा?
अरे અહીંયા જ પડવાનું તારે તારે જેકેટ પહેરેલું જ છે ને Just jump in. Go then.
Oh my god.
I don't want to touch the floor.
Why? Yeah, no, it's stones.
You're freaking out.
You better be careful, Nick. Just stand up, it's fine. Fell over. Are you swimming? Yeah. This side. Sorry. Oh, I'll help you. No worries. Are you swimming?
Freak out over.
Fine on the floor. Oh, sorry.
Yeah, I'm on the floor. It's okay.
I should do something.
It's
to
okay.
Okay. That's very bad. Tacky. Thank you.
It's busy.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
This is so good.
Smells like our tap water at home.
Yeah, it's probably cleaner than our tap water in the UK. Go do me going under. Oh, did you?
Yeah.
What, right under?
Yeah. 18%. Yeah, you can't just drink it.
Guys, that's it for now. I've got to change the GoPro on my camera.
This is my favourite thing yet.
Yes. Oh, I just drank a bit of that water, it killed me.
Oh, sounds bad.
Bogey hanging off his lip. I can't handle it, I can't look. Yeah.
Could be worth getting it back on.
Nah, actually not. You not got your flip flops on? Oh, where? Oh, they're back there
Take them
now.
off, didn't I?
Are you going to walk across?
Trying to.
All the best.
I guess
Yeah. Yeah, it's lovely.
Oh, what is that?
Shit. It's a bit slimy. You want to go through? You want to go that way? Yeah? 50 baht? Oh, yeah, 100.
Ow. I know, I felt it. Yeah. We ended the fun-filled day with a relaxing spot on Aonang Beach watching the sunset. It's moments like this when you realise how lucky we are on this journey. Don't forget to like, subscribe and stay tuned for more adventures every Wednesday and Sunday.